Okay, this is the overview of the St. Patrick's Day inspired by Anne Rockwell's book called St. Patrick's Day. And this is a listening library as well as a STEM project room. So what we can do is you would put this in present in your classrooms. And then as you go, you can see there's the contents. There's the Bitmoji Classroom, the book, drawing and writing, vocabulary, scavenger hunt, a STEM project, as well as the game room. And it also includes a suggested 5-day lesson plan. Hold on 1 second. Let me just put this in the middle. So, day 1 is predictions. Day 2, you can recall and they can watch and complete slide 5. Day 3, there's another game on slide 3, and then the game room on slide 3, as well as the vocabulary on slide 6. Scavenger hunt is on slide 7, and the STEM shamrock is on slide 8. So when you go into the room, you can start like this would be day 1, and then you can watch that as well as make it bigger in the classroom if you want. Then you just click on the hat to go back to the room, and then like the next day. And also there are suggestions below, so these also each lead to the different slides. Then you click back on the hat to go back. The rabbit goes somewhere. The leprechaun here goes, as well as the rainbow. And then you have up here are the game rooms. This is the game room, and the game room has 13 different interactives that the students can just play with. They just click, play the game. Everybody would be doing the same exact thing. You can assign a quiz, crossword, find the match up. And each student, if you want to share it, each one of them gets their own link. So all they have to do is copy that link to follow it. As well as we have at the end, there's a scavenger hunt. And then finally we have a STEM project. The project video is here on how they can build the virtual shamrock. And then they just click the shamrock and it takes them right into this other game room. And what they do is they would just start over there. Go back to start. And excuse me, let's see, clear all. And then they can start. So this is kind of the overview of the St. Patrick's room that was influenced by this story, and to add another room to the March room. And I hope you all enjoy. Happy teaching, and I will talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.